So this is the front of the VW 2.5 TDI AJT / ACV engine. Now the difference between the standard AJT and the ACV, which has got slightly more bhp, fundamentally is that the 102 ACV will have a factory intercooler fitted. Now my van is a 2.5 TDI AJT version, but the block is still marked ACV because the actual block, head, intake, exhaust manifolds are the same. The differences are, on quick inspection, to tell whether you have an AJT or an ACV, is that the AJT will not have an intercooler. Mine has an intercooler because I've fitted an aftermarket intercooler from a Mitsubishi L200. The ACV will have a black framed intercooler. That is the easiest way to tell the difference. However, it could be that your AJT has had an intercooler fitted. So that is not the only difference. The difference on the ACV is that it has Bosch fuel injectors. The AJT has awful Standardine fuel injectors, which obviously you won't be able to tell. Also, the ECU will have a different map. So it will be difficult to tell at times, after 20 plus years, to see whether your engine is standard or not. But if you don't have an intercooler, the chances are you've got an AJT 2.5.